friends! Today we will learn about parts of a plant. This is the soil, where a plant's journey begins. This is a seed. When it's planted in soil, roots begin to grow from it first. These are the roots. They soak up water and nutrients and hold the plant firmly in place. This is the stem. It carries water up from the roots and holds the plant up tall. These are the branches. They spread out to hold the leaves and flowers up. These are the leaves. They use sunlight to make food for the plant. These are the flowers. They're colorful and pretty and help the plant make seeds. And finally, this is the fruit. It holds the seeds that can grow into new plants. Now you know all the parts of a plant.
Let's play the quiz. What is it called? Yes, soil holds water and nutrients for the plant to use. Next, a gardener buries this tiny part in the soil. What is it called? Yes, seed. A seed is planted in the soil and a whole new plant grows from it. Next, which part of the plant is under the ground? Roots. That's right. Roots are usually the first thing to grow and they hold the plant in place. Which part uses sunlight to make food for the plant? That's right. Leaves catch sunlight and turn it into the food. Next, true or false? The stem carries water from leaves to the roots. Correct. The stem works like a straw carrying water upwards. Thank you for watching.